Being AI, the new revolutionary AI, I guess is not revolutionary, but for sure they're trying to improve this revolutionary technology, basically learning from ChatGPT and then doing this their own way. And I watched the presentation is actually, you know, in theory, it sounds very helpful because you usually search for something, how to write an essay. Very simple, right? And they're saying you can also now, right here on this part, this side, you can get a summary of what you're looking for instead of going through all website, going and looking through a lot of websites. Instead of doing that, now you have a summary right here. And also you can ask questions like write an email summary, create a summary, and you see here, help me plan, write a rhyming poem, can you help me get fit, which is pretty cool, and what I think the advantage here, and I would like to hear your point of view in the comment section, because that's what I'm doing this video. I like to hear your point of view, guys. I'm thinking disadvantage there is here an advantage, which is the fact that now, instead of looking, as I said before, I'm repeating myself, looking for the right answer. Now you have here a summary, and obviously ChatGPT can do this as well, but it's not like you search on Google, or you use Microsoft Bing and you search what you're looking for, and then you'll get a really summary, a right example maybe, and at the same time you can also chat, which you have to wait when it's available, but you can basically, as you can see, I need to throw a dinner party, and it's giving you answers. You can simply just communicate, which I don't think is a bad idea. Actually, their idea, their reason why they're implementing Bling, Bing AI, ChatGPT, basically technology with Bing AI, is because they're trying to make this more efficient, more convenient for the users. But I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for news, technology news, AI news, and also tutorials. I love creating tutorials as well. So thank you for watching, and take care.